Thank you for choosing DJI Agriculture drone products. DJI is a market-leading drone brand. Its agriculture products include Agras drones, seed spreading drones, orchard mode drones, inverter generators, and surveying drones. Agras drones support diversified operation modes, including the manual, enhanced manual, A to B points, fully autonomous, and orchard mode drones. To help you better apply these products, we've prepared a series of tutorial videos for different products and functions. You only have to watch the videos that apply to your work. First, let's get to know different models of DJI Agras drones. DJI Agriculture launched its first generation Agras drone called the MG1 in 2015, and later series models including the MG1S and the MG1P. In 2018, DJI launched the T16 Agras drone, featuring a load capacity of 16 liters, a spray flow speed of 3.6 liters per minute, and a maximum operating efficiency of 24.7 acres per hour. The T16 supports the M, M+, A to B points, and fully autonomous operation modes. It also supports functions such as flight planning, real-time kinematic RTK, and first-person view FPV. The T20 was launched in 2019. Starting from the T16, we added an electromagnetic pressure relief valve, a 4-channel flow meter, and an omnidirectional radar to T20. In addition, its remote control supports RTK high-precision positioning throughout the flight. In addition, the T20 can be used to spread seeds, feed, and solid pesticides. The T30 and T10 were launched in 2020. Both products are IP67 rated, and their corrosion resistance was significantly improved to support the spreading of highly corrosive fertilizer. The T30 can achieve a maximum operating efficiency of 39.5 acres per hour on orderly fields, raising the efficiency of Agras drones to a new level. In terms of the user experience, we added an upward radar and rear-facing lights and camera for improved safety during operation. The T30 is equipped with a continuous level sensor, which intelligently predicts replenishment points for more precise and energy-efficient operations. The T30 can also be transformed into an orchard mode machine and use the branch targeting technology to better perform fruit tree orchard mode operations. After receiving the new machine, you need to activate the Agras drone, charger, inverter generator, and RTK high-precision positioning module. You can activate them at an authorized DJI Agriculture dealer or follow the instructions in the tutorial video to activate the components.